Lord, welcome everyone. Today's video going to show you here about to help you through things that we gonna start about to understand how we do it. First of all, what we gonna do is about to add the max widths for every single layer or every single shape. This is gonna be about to help you on everything that is going on through the way that we can actually see if this going to be really about be added on the progress. So what we're gonna do is about for this video, this is gonna actually be about that over here on a certain rectangle, for example. Now we're gonna see over here about to click on that, see the maximum widths that it can really be a certain thing possible on a thing. So if I would like to add a certain 999 widths, this is gonna actually work with a really infinite scrolling. If that going about be through the layout dimension, which is really begins with W, and this is how you do the maximum widths. If you want to make a change, you can actually set it. So that is all about to help you through this video.